Hey, what's cooking, Jay?
Welcome back to Gunther's Kitchen. Today we're making a quick bread. So if you ever running out of bread in the evening, you think, oh God, I need some bread tomorrow. This is the bread you want, and it is healthy. So it is mainly a rye and spelt bread, sourdough of course, and all you need to do the night before is get your starter ready. So what I've done here is I used 200, you get the recipe in the description anyway, but what I've done here is I've used 200 grams of rye flour, 200 grams warm water and 20 grams of sourdough starter. And that's all mixed in, left in the oven with the light on, covered with cling film overnight. And now we are ready to put everything together. So we have got here 400 grams of warm water. And then we put our sourdough starter, look how airy it is, in there. Oh, it smells delicious. Slight sour flavor to it, but not very strong. So now we just dissolve this. That's the best way to do it. You just put the water in and put your starter in there and dissolve it all. That's the quickest and easiest way to have an easy mix, an even mix. Now here we have got a mix of rye flour, spelt flour, seeds, salt, and that's it. It's very simple. As I said, recipe is in the description. Now we just put that all together and we let it run. Because this is a rye, basically mainly rye bread, there's no gluten development. So we can use the paddle. Don't be afraid using the paddle. It's much quicker and it mixes much better than just the hook in it. So now we just put it up, turn it on a little, and we just let it run. Now, if you let that run for about 2 minutes, just 1 minute slow and 1 minute a little bit faster, but doesn't need fast. Okay, now it's mixed in. Now we're giving it a minute on a medium speed. I've got it on 3 of the scale of 10. That's plenty enough. Just let it run for 1 minute. And then we're going to put it in our bread tin. The bread tin, we buttered, very well buttered before you put that in. So now the 2 minutes are up, and that's plenty enough. So now we turn it off, we take it out. Wet fingers works really well with bread. So everything will come off the paddle or the hook, whatever you use at the time. And now, use your card. Now we just clean this down. And as you can see, this is quite a wet dough. And now here's our tin, the butter tin, as I said. So now we're putting this in the tin. It's very simple. You just put this in the tin. But this is, as I said, mainly rye. It's got 550 rye flour and it's got 250 spelt flour. So it's very good for you. Plus, you don't have to worry about sitting overnight and the gluten breaking down. And now, wet hands, and we're pushing it down. Okay? Nice tin. With the sourdough rye, what we like is we like to have those cracks on top of the bread. So what you do is you use your rye flour and you just dust the top of the bread very well with rye flour. And when it starts rising, And it's also good indication when it's risen enough. When you've got about a crack which is about 1 centimeter wide. And then you can just turn up your oven and you can bake it. So now, like this, we put a tea towel on top, put it in the oven until it has developed cracks for about 1 centimeter wide. All right? And I'll see you when we start baking. Okay, so our sourdough rye has risen really nicely. Now let's put it in the oven. The oven is preheated, 230 degrees. We put it in and we put some, ooh, it's hot in there. So we put it in and we put some water down the bottom. I put a tray in, so we put a shot of water down the bottom and we close the door. So now we put the timer on 20 minutes. Okay, so let's take it out. Nice. And then we turn it out onto a tray. And we put it back in the oven for 25 minutes on 180 degrees. Okay, so the bread is ready. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. So we let it cool down. Okay, so it's the next morning. So now let's see what the bread is like. Let's cut it. Well, let's cut it in half. Oh, look at that. Just look at those, the even pores. Look at the even pores on the bread. You can see the sunflower seeds, pumpkin, and linseeds. Absolutely delicious. So now let's cut a piece. And as you can see, it's very moist, but also it's not too heavy. It's got a beautiful crust. Okay, let's try it. Though we only made it in one day, it's already got a little bit sourness to it, so you will definitely identify it as a sourdough bread. Beautiful. The textures with the seeds, very nice, very nice. So, as always, like, subscribe, follow us, and maybe we should make another bread for you. I might make focaccia. Everyone loves focaccia. All right? So I see you soon at Günther's Kitchen on YouTube. Bye for now.